everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. It's an ongoing celebration as South Africans continue to show their love to Mam Noxolo Grootboom. Yesterday was her last appearance on SABC News after 37 years of service as a journalist. By the way guys, Mam Noxolo is 61 years this year, but she looks very young. I know I'm very strong sometimes, but yesterday I found myself crying after watching the news, and I'm sure I'm not alone. It was so emotional and heartfelt, but what's more amazing with her closing remark was that for the first time the Ndinithanda nonke emakhaya felt more real than it felt over the past years. This has always been her closing statement. However, yesterday guys was different. Listening to her colleagues bidding their farewell makes me realize she was the most loving, humble person to work with. Some even mention she was like a mother to them. We really appreciate her hard work and how she impacted South Africa as the whole. Mam Noxolo, siyabonga, siyabulela, riyaleboha. We really wish you all the best. It's a blessing to appreciate and celebrate you while we can still see you smiling. We promise to engrave your last words to our heart. Open quote, Ndinithandile nami ndanithanda, nanga ningalala ngolobu busuku nembethi ingubo yemvisiswano, uxolo nothando, Ndinithanda nonke emakhaya, close quote. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Let's continue to celebrate the queen on the comment section. Bye.
Message brought to you by the Association for Alcohol Responsibility and Education and the Road Traffic Management Corporation. Meet R&D. R&D is a resources sector specialist. We spoke to her about values.
So what is your promise if you say to a client, I'm going to find a solution